Welcome to Journey to Fluent English. Hey everyone, we're so excited to have you here. Ready for some fun? Let's test your English skills with this daily life fill-in-the-blank quiz. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. She has breakfast before going to work. He goes to the gym after work every day. We eat dinner together as a family every night. They take the bus to school every morning. I brush my teeth twice a day. He takes a shower before going to bed. He checks his emails first thing in the morning. We watch TV after dinner to relax. I go to bed by 10 p.m. on weekdays. Can you bring me a glass of water, please? I need to buy my groceries after work today. She had lost her keys and couldn't find them. He dropped his phone while walking to the bus stop. We watched a movie last weekend. I met my friend at the cafe yesterday. She takes her dog for a walk every evening. He drives his car to work because it's faster. I do my laundry on Sundays. They cleaned the house before the guests arrived. If I had time, I would join you for lunch. She forgot her phone charger at home this morning. I wish I had more time to exercise. He went to the office early to finish his report. We tried a new restaurant last night. She drinks her black coffee without sugar. I carry my laptop to work every day. He finishes his homework before dinner. They took a taxi to the airport yesterday. I check my phone as soon as I wake up. She has breakfast before going to work. He goes to the gym after work every day.